students, my name is Shaina Gupta and I'm an assistant professor in RPIIT Medical and Technical Campus. Today, we are going to discuss about the pricing strategies. How the prices are, what strategies to decide or taking the pricing decisions are taken by the firms. Under the pricing strategies, the very first strategies is skimming pricing. Now, under the skimming prices, the firms are allowed to recover its sunk cost because before competition step in and lowers the market price. Before the competition steps in, the firms can recover their sunk cost. After that, they can lower the market prices. Now, the inventory turn rate can be very low for the skimmed products. Skimming encourages the entry of the competitors and the firms could gain negative publicity if he lowers the prices too fast and without significant changes in the product profile. So this is the skimming strategy. After that comes penetrating pricing. Now under the penetrating pricing strategy, this pricing technique says that we set the prices very low, relatively very low in the initial entry price. That is the price that is often lower than the eventual market price. Now the expectation is that the initial low price will secure the market acceptance by breaking down the existing brand's loyalty. In penetration pricing is most commonly associated with the marketing objectives of increasing the marketing share or sales volume rather than the short-term profit maximization. Then comes premium pricing. Now in order to differentiate itself and convey that the product or services that we are providing are unique or luxurious, we use the premium pricing method. Here the products that are created or they are catered to the certain classes. Then comes captive pricing. Under this pricing model, it is used when the product requires repeated purchase for its accessories on the recurring basis, or we can say after sales services for its maintenance. Here the primary sale is made at a very attractive price and the subsequent sale of accessories is made at the premium. Then comes psychological pricing. Now the psychological pricing is a method where the prices are set with the intention to have a special appeal to the customers. Like prestige pricing. Prestige pricing uses high prices to convey that we have some distinct or exclusive product image. Traditional pricing uses the historical or long-standing prices for the product to determine its pricing. Odd even pricing, it's quite popular. Here the prices are set with the odd number like rupees 99, rupees 999. So here rather than writing directly 10 rupees or 100 rupees, we write them in on the odd numbers. The odd numbers denote that the prices are low or a very good deal. Like if I charge some product at rupees 10, it was costly. Now if I am charging 9.99, so we are in the bracket of similar ones, so we feel that the cost is low. Okay, so odd even pricing, it is very common and very famous. Then comes multiple pricing. Now under this strategy, to increase the volume throughput by giving higher benefits on greater units purchased. That is also called ladder pricing. Here, if you are pricing more, you are charged less. Okay. So to increase the volume, we give the higher benefits. If you are increasing more quantity, we will be giving you discounts, some gifts or something. So here we have the multiple pricing. Then bundle pricing. It is the practice of offering two or more different products and services at a one price. Buy one, get one free, kind of. Then comes product line pricing. This method of pricing is to promote the range of products or services to reflect the benefits of the package price as against the parts. Then comes extinction pricing. Extinction pricing has the overall objective of eliminating the competition, and it involves setting very low prices in a short term in order to undercut the competition or alternatively keep away the new entrants. Now the extinction price may in the short run can be set at the lower level lower even than the supplier's own cost of production is recovered. But once the competition is extinguished, the prices are raised to the profitable levels. We keep the prices low, remove the competition, then we charge high and earn the profit. Everyday low pricing, EPLD. This method of pricing strategies is to create a strong value image in the customer's mind and attract them to on a continuous basis, not merely on promotions. We don't want to here we don't create a strategy where we do the promotions and once we attract the customer he buys and leaves. No, here we try to create a very strong image in the customer's mind about our product so that they will come back to us continuously. So everyday low pricing. Next comes geographical pricing. Now here the prices of the products and services are based on the locations where the product is being to be distributed. This could be due to distance or accessibility, because for if we are sending our products to the far-fetched areas, there will be increase in the cost. So to recover that cost, we charge different prices. If you have ever seen the packet of a bread, there is a different prices charged. Hilly areas charge 1 or 2 rupees higher than the plain areas. So if a packet of a bread is around 35 rupees here, in the hilly areas that same bread will be around 37 or 38 rupees. So that is the geographical pricing, because due to the increase on the certain factors like transportation, tax structure or the rarity of the product for the region, the prices are charged accordingly to the geographical region. Then comes perceived value pricing. Here the method of pricing is that where the seller attempts to set price at a level that the intended buyer value the product. It is also called the value in use pricing or value oriented pricing. Here we charge the price according to the intended buyer's level. Then optional product pricing. This pricing model is used to sell add-ons or increase value per customer as they start to buy. These optional increase the overall price of the product or services for an added feature benefit. If you have ever gone to buy a pizza, we have seen there, if you need extra cheese, different price. If you want to get something, extra charge will be there. So optional pricing will lead to the rise in the price, but on the acceptance of the customer. Last is fixed and variable pricing. We know that fixed pricing is where we fix the price and charge it everywhere, and variable pricing where we charge different prices for different commodities from the different persons. That's all about the pricing strategies. I hope the topic is clear to you. For similar videos, keep watching RPIIT Academics channel. That's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.